good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Please subscribe button right there. Thank you.
Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga. Ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa. Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ. Ka Chineke dị ike niile gọzie ụnụ, Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Amen.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Tuesday, the 15th day of October 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efan Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Anambra traders float Soludo's order as markets remain closed. Aba Independent Power Project is a strategic investment, say National Assembly members. Alex Oti, past presidents lack political will to end fuel subsidy. Obi donates 20 million naira to Anambra College of Nursing Midwifery. Sports Minister hails Super Eagles' calmness despite provocations in Libya. Hezbollah deputy chief says group aims to inflict pain on Israel. Now, details. Anambra traders float Soludo's order as markets remain closed. Most traders in Anambra State, particularly in Onitsha, the commercial hub of the state, floated Governor Charles Soludo's directive to open their shops on Monday, despite the governor's warning that businesses would be closed down for non-compliance. Although residents were seen moving about the streets, most shops in Onitsha remained closed. It was gathered that all major markets, including Onitsha Main Market, Ochanja Market, Head Bridge Market, and the Building Materials Market were shut down. Security operatives, particularly police patrols, were said to be seen across the city, ensuring law and order. Some traders admitted that they were hesitant to open their shops on the first day of the directive, despite appreciating Governor Soludo's efforts to restore Monday business activities across the state. Recall that Governor Soludo had personally toured various markets and locations, including Nkwo-Ibuku, Afonori, parts of Nnewi, and Upper Iweka to assess the level of compliance. The governor, during his visit, interacted with traders and residents, emphasizing the importance of resuming business activities while ensuring safety. Still on the news, Aba Independent Power Project is a strategic investment, says National Assembly members. The Aba Independent Power Projects, Aba IPP, owned and managed by Geometric Power Limited, is a strategic investment that should be replicated in other parts of Nigeria for the country's rapid development, according to two National Assembly members from Enugu State. This independent power project, the largest investment in the Southeast, worth $800 million, is strategic in the sense it provides electricity, which is fundamental to the development of any economy. Senator Oke Ezia, who represents the Enugu North Senatorial Zone, and the House of Representatives member Mark Chedi Obeta, who represents the Nsukka Igweze South, told journalists this afternoon when they visited Professor Bart Nnaji, the former Minister of Power who founded the Geometric Power Group, at the company's corporate headquarters in the Osisoma Industrial Estate in Aba, Abia State. Electricity drives the modern economy, but unfortunately in Nigeria, the power system has long been in a shambles. Geometric power shows that Nigerians can run this critical sector professionally and to the highest international standards. He urged Nigerian entrepreneurs to consider investing in new power plants in different cities and towns for local power supplies to reduce technical losses significantly, among other benefits. Abba shows what should be done, he declared. Alex Oti, past presidents lacked political will to end fuel subsidy. Abia State Governor Dr. Alex Oti has blamed the past political leaders for the current hardship faced by Nigerians resulting from the removal of fuel subsidy, adding that the decision should have been taken a long time ago. Oti's statement is coming amidst the regulation of the premium motor spirits market, leading to a review of prices by independent marketers. He said this during a presentation at Harvard University where he discussed restoring faith in Nigeria's democracy, new paths to guaranteed outcomes. The governor, who was selected for his role in turning Abia into a model state with the highest social index score, explained that no country or state can develop without good governance. He said Nigeria's democratic journey over the last 25 years has failed to solve the issues of poverty, job losses, poor power infrastructure, and economic setbacks. But he added that career politicians have failed Nigerians, adding that the country has awakened to the reality. I must confess that I'm one of the few professionals and technocrats, he said, adding that it is dangerous to outsource leadership to career politicians. Obi donates 20 million naira to Anambra College of Nursing Midwifery. The former governor of Anambra State, Mr. Peter Obi, on Monday donated 20 million naira to St. Charles Borromeo College of Nursing and Midwifery in the commercial city of Onitsha. The donation of 10 million naira each was made to both the midwifery and nursing departments. Speaking at the event, Obi observed that education and health are the currencies with which people will transact in the future. He said that nurses and other professionals traveling overseas for greener pastures should not be stopped, saying that Nigeria has over 200 million people. Hence, there is no need to restrict people from traveling out of the country for greener pastures, to be added. Rather, Nigeria should concentrate on training more people, saying that foreign remittances can be a form of revenue for the country. What we are doing is not charity. We are rather investing in you. We need to invest in knowledge and health because it is the future. Investing in you will ensure greatness. Your profession is lucrative. You are being looked for all over the world. I told Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria that they should stop denying anybody from leaving Nigeria for greener pastures, he stated. Sports Minister hails Super Eagles' calmness despite provocations in Libya. The Minister for Sports Development, Senator John Eno, has commended the Nigerian Super Eagles for their maturity in spite of the provocations meted to them in Libya. The minister gave the commendation while receiving the players at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport on Monday evening. Newsmen report that the Super Eagles were held for over 16 hours at an abandoned airport in Al Abrak after their flight, scheduled to land in Benghazi for the second leg of their 2025 African Cup of Nations qualifying match, was diverted following the ordeal. The players departed Libya, arriving at the Malam Aminu Kano International Airport in Kano State before proceeding to Abuja. Eno told the Super Eagles that only their safe return was of importance to Nigerians, adding that they had shown the Nigerian spirit by remaining calm and composed despite the ill treatment by the Libyan authorities. We have seen all the pictures, how you were treated and how you tried to see whether you could even find some rest in the airport, how you were spotted from even leaving the airport. Despite all of that, you remain calm and matured. This is the spirit that is typically Nigerian, he said. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Hezbollah deputy chief says group aims to inflict pain on Israel. Beirut. Hezbollah's Deputy Secretary General Naim Qasem said on Tuesday his group has adopted a new calculation to inflict pain on Israel, even as he called for a ceasefire. Israel launched a major offensive against the Iran-backed Hezbollah on September 23rd with the aim of allowing residents of northern Israel to return to homes they had been forced to evacuate during a year of cross-border rocket fire from Lebanon. The solution is a ceasefire. We are not speaking from a position of weakness, Qasem said. If the Israelis do not want that, we will continue, he added in a broadcast speech. Qasem said that residents of northern Israel will be able to return home after a ceasefire deal is reached through an indirect agreement. But he threatened that more Israelis will be displaced if the war continues, saying that the number of uninhabited settlements will increase and hundreds of thousands, even more than 2 million, will be in danger at any time, at any hour, on any day. He added that since Israel has attacked all over Lebanon, the group has the right to attack anywhere in Israel. We will focus on targeting the Israeli military and its centers and barracks, he said. The Israeli strikes have killed at least 2,309 people in Lebanon over the last year, mainly in the last few weeks. According to the Lebanese government, more than 1.2 million Lebanese have been displaced. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Anambra traders float Soludo's order as markets remain closed. Aba Independent Power Project is a strategic investment, say National Assembly members. Alex Oti, past presidents lacked political will to end fuel subsidy. Obi donates 20 million naira to Anambra College of Nursing Midwifery. Sports minister hails Super Eagles' calmness despite provocations in Libya. Hezbollah deputy chief says group aims to inflict pain on Israel. You just listened to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Epan Shuku Ekese. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and the 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political Political View comes to you at Ebonadi 103.5 FM. It's Martin Ifeanyi Chukwuike every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonadi 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date. How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonadi FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Government.
Whatever Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. Your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifeanyi Chukwuike, as our number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebonadi 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds
in your face.
On Martin Ebonadi corner
24/7, 24/7.
Ebonadi 103.5 FM. Nabakoa production. When I was telling you, AJ radio drama, Eriko. AJ radio drama, Eriko, Ghana Dialogue every Monday, 8 o'clock p.m. With broadcast on Saturday, 3 o'clock p.m. Now, Ebonadi 103.5 FM.
If you move and finish your business,
Thank God it's Friday. Friday, the most favorable day of the week. So hook up with DJ Easy every Friday by 9 p.m. on Ebonadi 103.5 FM. This is a program where we bring unto you entertainment and the best of fun, and also give you the privilege to make some music requests. TGIF, thank God it's Friday. Don't miss this every Friday night by 9 p.m. with DJ Easy on Ebonadi 103.5 FM.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. The allo.